We don't grow everything that we eat, but the things that we can grow, we will grow. It's possible to regenerate and revive some of our traditional foods. It takes a lot of love, a lot of time, a lot of partnership, but it can be done. And those are the lessons that I think will stand for a long time with my kids about food sovereignty, is that it takes time, but they're so good for you, mind, body, and spirit, that it's worth everything that goes into to preserving traditional foods.
Hawaii, Shannon Andrews and Ganyaki. I'm a dietitian and a nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwa Rujewi, Ta, Torigun.
Today we are making mini tomato turkey melts. For this recipe you will need 16 saltine crackers, unsalted, 1 cup spinach leaves, 4 ounces low sodium turkey deli meat sliced, half a cup of cherry tomatoes quartered, 4 slices of reduced fat cheese quartered, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, this is optional. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with foil or parchment paper. Place crackers in a single layer on the baking sheet. Top with mustard if using. Next, layer spinach, turkey, and tomatoes on crackers evenly, topped with a quartered cheese slice. The Otoe word for tomato is Otoe-Missouria. Tomatoes have been a traditional food for Native Americans for generations. Tomatoes can be dried, frozen, cooked, made into juice, canned, or simply eaten raw. They come in a variety of colors, including red, orange, yellow, green, and even purple. They are rich in vitamin A and C. Tomatoes are associated with a lower risk of heart disease and certain cancers because they contain the phytonutrient lycopene. Native American gardening before colonization was different than gardening we think of today. Instead of taking from the land, Native American gardeners made the land richer. The basis of modern-day plant breeding formed from the Native American knowledge of planting and their complex ways of reproducing plants like tomatoes through cuttings and seed selection. Traditionally, Native Americans did not till their soil. A simple way to start a no-till garden at home is to have a raised bed garden made from wood, stone, or logs. If you are limited on outdoor space, you can use a small container or a plastic tub to grow tomatoes. All you need is soil, water, and sunlight. When harvesting or selecting tomatoes, choose tomatoes that are firm, glossy, smooth, and plump. Tomatoes with the deepest color are the ripest. Make this recipe your own by adding your favorite toppings. Try adding yellow mustard instead of Dijon. Substitute a 100% whole wheat English muffin for the crackers. Try different combinations of vegetables as toppings, or a different cheese such as mozzarella, Colby Jack, or Swiss. Bake 7 to 10 minutes or until cheese is melted and bubbly. Serve warm. This recipe makes 4 servings. 1 serving is 4 crackers. Enjoy!